Mr. Misty. Mr. Misty. You want to be a customer? You want to be my cuddle customer? Mr. Misty. Oh, Daryl's making a bunch of noise out there. Wow. What a mess.
Oh, well.
Do you know, I told him, I asked him if he goes to SeaWorld, that they need to name it P World, because that guy says he's down in San Diego. Anyway, I told him that. I says, did you go to SeaWorld? And he says, yeah, but he doesn't like it anymore. I says, you know, I wouldn't go there because that whale poops and pees in his water, and then they splash people, and they splash them with whale pee and whale poop.
Keep your mouth shut.
He believed it.
I'd imagine that'd be quite a bit.
Yeah, my P was at a P World.